Fall?
Yeah.
Noor had a little fall, guys. We're still on our nature hike. We've been hiking for about 45 minutes.
My mom said she wants an
Musa's leading our way back.
editor.
Watch where you're going, Nuna, so you don't fall again, okay? Oh, we're almost back to our original starting place. We're almost back to where we started. Aren't you our leader? Why are you in the back? Come on. Pull up that mask, too.
Why?
And keep your eyes peeled for your mask, Nuna. You feel better, Noor?
Are we last here? Oh my God. Go. Find.
You see, when we were coming this way, so I'm sure.
Okay, great.
Yes, we found it.
Yay! We found the mask! Hi.
We found the mask.
Nice. Is it clean? Probably not. Alright, put it in your pocket, Baba. I'm so proud of us for finding it! Oh.
Too bumpy.
It would be fun.
I'll fall off.
No. You gotta get used to doing new things. Oh.
Blah, blah, blah.
I love this part of the park. Look at all these fall colors. Gorgeous.
Almost there.
We are almost there, yeah. We're pretty close to where we started.
I think this is a muddy area.
No, this is muddy area here.
Careful for the mud, Noor. Walk around it.
Some bikes here.
Careful on the side. Sorry.
Go back where we started. But back to where we started, guys.
Yep, this is where we went into this path, but we still have one more path before we get back to our car, right?
The mud is all gone on my feet.
The mud is all gone? Yeah, it's from walking on all the other stuff. It wiped away.
Where's the rock?
Over here. You love this park? I want to come fishing here one day, Nuna. What do you think?
Okay.
Okay. Or kayaking. Musa, do you want to come kayaking here one day? Or rent some kind of a boat? What kind of boat would you like to rent?
Boat. A motorboat.
Motorboat.
I like to ride a Dodo boat.
Which one of the boats?
I like to ride a Dodo boat.
A Jojo Siwa boat?
There might be one, but Jojo Siwa.
I want to do a paddle boat.
Paddle boat will go to floor. What's that?
I don't think motorboats are allowed in this.
Get a boat.
Lake.
I saw a motorboat just like flying by.
Really?
Yes, I don't get a boat. You guys were like sitting there, and we were taking a picture, and Mom was like holding the screen.
You don't want to get a boat?
And then I saw it zoom by, and you guys didn't get to see it.
Baba, climb onto that log. Don't fall in. Let's see if Baba is brave enough. No, stay right here, guys. Just Baba.
I'm gonna do it.
You're going to do it when you're older.
No.
You're going to do it right now? Sure?
Baba, don't fall in.
You're saying don't fall in. Imagine that being a snake. Oh, it's moving. No, back on that log.
No, no, no.
Do it, Bubba, do it.
No.
He can do it. Say cheese. Okay. Very nice. It's fine. Okay, Baba. Good job. You did it.
What about me?
Do you want to do it too, Moose?
Yeah.
Go ahead.
What?
Baba, استقبل موسى يلا. Moosa's gonna try.
Help me.
Yeah, balance on it like a balance beam.
Come with it.
I can't. Where will Noor be? Noor and I will watch you. You can do it. Be brave.
Help me.
Say Bismillah. Say Bismillah ar-Rahman ar-Rahim. You did it. You did it in the river.
What do you mean I did? What?
When we were crossing the little river thing.
What little river?
Bismillah. There you go. See? Now you can hop over. You can hop over. Nice. Okay. Nice job, Musa.
Maybe that's a ladder.
Okay, Musa, turn around and smile. Smile, Baba. You're gonna go further. Cheese. جبنة. بطيخ. You can do it, Moose. Do it. خايف شوية. It's okay. Next time we can try to go even further. All right, he did it. Say good job, Musa.
Good job, Musa.
Okay. I can't see. Smile, Moose. Oh, wow. Good job, Moose. I'm so proud of you. Nice. Ooh! Thank goodness for Baba's, right? Bismillah. You did it! I'm so proud of you. You tried something new and you did great. Okay. Are you proud of Baba, Noor? Are you proud of Musa? Say good job, guys. Do you want to try it too? No. Okay, let's go.
I'm gonna do it again.
It's okay, she doesn't want to. No,
I'm
no,
gonna
it's
do
okay.
it again.
Baba, wait, Musa, it's Noor's turn.
I don't know if I'm doing that.
One person at a time so Baba can focus. Cheese. Say cheese, Noor. Big smile.
Do it again. I'm gonna do it again.
Go ahead then. You want to do it alone this time?
What?
You want to do it alone this time?
No.
Okay. No, let's keep walking. Let's keep walking. Come on.
No, I won't go with the crowd.
Let's keep walking. I like how the crunchy leaves feel under my feet. Crunch, crunch, crunch. Can you crunch them?
Crunchy bugs.
Yeah, I love crunchy bugs. They're most delicious in panini sandwiches.
Do you really?
No. You want to come camping here one day?
No.
And roast marshmallows?
No.
You like fake camping in our living room, right?
Yeah.
All right, this is officially where we started, right?
Like a foul ball at the ballpark.
Vitoros? Let's see. What is this? Vitoros. It's cute. Don't flick it. Pick it up. Yeah, there's a rock right there that you can climb on. Just wait for your turn.
And when you clean my
Go sit down, Nuna, on that rock. You can climb it. With Musa. Go ahead. What does it say on there? Remembering you is easy. We do it every day. There's an ache in our hearts that will never go away. Oh. Number 23. Noor said she wants to do it one person at a time. Go ahead, Noor.
I didn't mean it.
Climb the rock.
Mama, look. I just saw that ball move.
Which ball?
That ball
Hmm.
just moved.
Who can move that ball?
Which
Good job, Noor.
Look,
Ooh, it's not a ball. It's a chipmunk.
look, Mama, another ball.
Where?
That's a ball
Where?
down there.
Nuna?
You see it move when you do the ball.
No. Look at me.
Hmm.
Vamos. Oh. Look at me, Nuna. Look at me. Vamos.
Noor's finally getting her photo op. Cheese.
موسى اوعى خيالك اوعى يا عم الحاج كده.
Musa, come here. This is why Noor chose to come here, because she wanted pictures of her in her dress and her hair. It's too sunny.
بصي لي يا كوكو. Look at me.
Go شمس عليه فريد. That was our rock cut video.
Bye.
Bye.
Wait, first watch my dad do
هو
my
عنده
shoe.
Watch my dad do my shoe. Musa
And the
got
other one.
all this stuff stuck to him when we were on a hike. I don't know what they're called. I always used to see these in Egypt, Farid. You know what it is?
Yes, what is this?
What's it called?
والله مش عارف.
I don't know. It's like Velcro. I don't know what they're called, but
لازقة فيها.
don't be scared, Musa. It's okay. Okay, guys, that was the end of our Rock Cut State Park video.
Rocket State Park. It's so hot on here.
It's too hot. Nuna, do rock, paper, scissors for Rock Cut State Park. Rock, paper, scissors, shoot. Okay, bye.